clearly showing how actually to jumpstart an engine. You can see we are directly giving the connection from the battery towards the starter motor, and see the cranking is happening. This is the front end of the engine. You can see the fan belt rotating, the alternator, the drive gear of the fuel injection pump, the camshaft pulley, the auto tensioner, etc.
For more engineering tutorial video updates, please click the subscribe button on top of this video. If you have find this tutorial useful, please click the like button or drop a comment to motivate us. We are also available on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video.